Hello friends, welcome again. My favorite machines in the kitchen, and they are fighting. It's happening. Get ready to rumble. It's everything. So this is the one we have here. It's a standard one. Very solid, very great machine. I've used it to do almost everything, every baking and cooking thing I had here on this channel. It has, see what it has. It has this paddle. We have this. This is for making whipped cream, okay, and all anything whoopable. You see it like you have it whisking, okay. We have this. This is for dough, like you're making bread, heavy doughs. This is for that. So that's what's happening. This is stainless steel. It's beautiful. This, you have it, it will last you forever. This has been here now for years. Solid. It's not going anywhere. So, but now we have this, trying to compete with it. Okay? I got this for Mother's Day. The Eat Good, Feel Good Mix Up. Everyday stand mixer dash. So I've never used this before. It's brand new, as you can see, and I'm going to unbox it in front of everybody. The instruction, everything is still brand new, like always. Let's get that. Just put it in your kitchen and it's like a decoration. Okay. The accessories. Okay. Brand new machine. Different assignments today for these machines, and we're trying to see which make life a bit easier for us in the kitchen, especially for those professional chefs and home chefs. Something to put it when you keep it so it doesn't get water. For the KitchenAid, this is the whisk. This is the whisk for this one. This one has two little ones. KitchenAid has one big one, and this is what we'll be needing also today. This will be for the dough. So this, see how it has a hook. This one has hook too. This is a big one. This is two small ones, right? Okay. And this is to get rid of. If you put it, and this is to release them. And underneath, it has on your desk, on your table, so it doesn't move around when it's doing its work. I'll turn it off. Okay, so now this one, let me show you guys. This you can take it up. It has suction too to keep it strong, so it doesn't move when you're doing it. This is very heavy. Ooh, this is so heavy. This I can lift it one hand. This I will not even try it. You lock it up here and you open it when you want to use it. Here you lock it up when you have the whatever you want to do with it. Then you just put it here with the padlock. You lock it up so it stays like that. So you can be mixing while you're doing something else. You don't have to worry. So this is the setting, 10 settings. See, this one has 10 settings from 1 to 10. The speed levels. Okay, if you want it faster. So this controllable settings. This has 6, like we counted. This has 10. So guys, the war starts. I'm going to clean up this brand new machine. Get ready, and we're going to go for the first assignment for both of them. Let's see who's going to win this battle. So are you ready? Are you ready to rumble? What I know, one thing for sure, is that I can shift it. I can take this up, and then I press here at the side button, and I can get it down. Press the side button and get it up. So I've already plugged it. This is here, and I can move the plate by pressing this little knob down. I move the plate. Let me show you. I move the plate up this way and that way. So I already know what's happening here. So this one, oh no, I have to put it, make sure it's, this one you have to see, secure it. It's secured. This one is secured too. A keyhole here. You put it, look at the knob here that it goes into. Let's attach it and see what we're doing. So this, I think this, we're good to go here. Okay, now let's go for this one. Secured. Both of them are secured and ready for their fight. Too chilled. It has to be cold before you start off whipping cream, right? Okay, so I'm opening this. Okay, So I'm pouring the whole whipping cream in there. I'm pouring this one too. The whole whipping cream in here. That's cold, so to be fair, it has to be very chilled. Get ready, go. So this, I have to bring this down. I have to put this here and this on. So now I want to put them setting. Let's start with setting 2, so that it's not too big at the initial stage. It starts small. Setting 2. Setting 6. This is going to setting 6, and this I'll make it to setting not 6 but 5. 5. Okay. So this I put on 6, and this is what is happening. So I guess I will increase this one because this one is going quite fast. And this is just going always down. And spoonful of sugar. Okay, let's go and see how long it's going to take. Let's time it. This goes to the fullest, and I'm taking it to the fullest. Let's see. Let's stop them. Stop this. Okay, this is this. This is the texture of both of them. So it depends on what you want. This one it got more air. It has risen up higher. And this is become smoother and almost like ice cream consistency. This is looking more whipped cream. This is looking more ice cream. But both of them are ready. Perfect. So it depends on what you want. This is it. It's not moving. It's not going anywhere. So I'm going to put it in this. So this is out. I'm going to just put it in this container. So, see, it's running. This one is running. So it might need more time. It might need more time. So this did faster. This is okay, but like I said, it's just... This tastes like vanilla ice cream. Perfect. Oh my God, it tastes so good. It tastes like natural vanilla ice cream. I didn't even add any vanilla in it. And this one, more solid. It's almost like I can chew it. So you might decide what you prefer. I think this one we need longer time. Maybe 5 more minutes to get it to here. This was faster. So this is it, the same time, and this is the result. So that's the first assignment. I would say for both of the machines, good job. Because this is very compact, it's very little, very light. Even if 10-year-old can carry it, bring it to you. This one is quite heavy, and it's very dangerous machine. Because if it hits you on your leg, that leg, you need to go to the hospital. So it has to be stationed. You cannot move it around. You have to leave it in one place. Only adults can operate on this machine, I must say. So that's how far. So thank you guys. Let's go to the next assignment. See you guys soon for the next assignment. Guys, thank you. What will you say? We got it out. It was all me. It was all my fault. Okay. Got it. Assignment. Everybody's ready? You guys ready? You ready? Yes. AKA jam and bread. So we're gonna make it here. It's a breakfast bun, German breakfast bun. This is oil spray. I'm gonna spray it with oil so it doesn't cling too much. So we're gonna divide it into 2. Okay. We'll try and see how far we can divide it. So this one goes here, and I pour it in here. So this is here. Okay. So the knob It's like the keyhole. Put it towards the knob and we'll move it around and see it's secured. Okay, it's secured. Perfect. So now, oh my goodness. So I have to put, let me say, half a teaspoon of salt, because you have to use salt for bread. You cannot do bread without salt. This is on, and we start with this. We start with medium. We start with this and put it on the first stage because so what happens, this moves on its own, this stick moves, and this is stationary. This one, the bowl moves around and the stick stays shivering at one corner. So that's the difference between both of them. I'm gonna add flour. Two of these spoons. This is easier. Putting this from this side is easier for me to add ingredients in it. So I add 2 big spoons, 1 and 2. Okay? Now I have to stop it. Pull it up. Okay? For me to have access into it. Okay? And go. No heat first. Ready. Look at it. It's ready. The dough is stretched. Let's spray my hands. The dough is stretched almost like gum. Look. I'm stopping the machine now at 7 minutes. That one was 4.5 minutes, almost 5 minutes it was done. 7 minutes. This one has not yet wrapped around it. It's shiny now. So let's see how far. Okay? Let's get it out. It's very stretchy. Look at it. See how stretchy too. Turn it around and turn it the other way around. I must remember this. New machines, huh? Technology. Okay, I'm going to spray my hand again with oil so I can get it out easier. Easier. So got it out after some fight and war. So I'm getting it out. It's so warm. The machine has worked so hard. I'm not going to lie. Guys, we're in for the 3rd challenge. Ooh, it's been a war today. The 3rd challenge will be we're making cake. 2 eggs on each. 1, 2, and this 2 eggs. 2 starting. almost there. It's not quite, but I'm just going to mix it. So this one needed additional 3 minutes to get ready. It is what it is. I'm not going to even blame it. Let me show you guys what I've been fighting with. I needed to just hold this black rail, and then it's easy to get out. So now this is what happened. This machine, it still has a little bit of dust around it of the flour, so it's okay. It's not a big deal. I can just use the spatula and mix it up. Okay, it's not a big deal. So now put the oven warming, getting ready. Let's go. So it's going in the middle. And that's it. We're going to bake it for about 20 minutes and we're good to go. We got it. So machine was it's hot cake, so we're gonna test it to see how yummy and wonderful it is. I'm just taking a little bit of it. I like the edges. Hostel, if you're a student, this will be perfect to help you do anything. You can bake bread. As you can see, you could bake bread with it, you could bake cake with it, you could make creams with it, fresh creams, and you don't have to buy all those things in the store. So those were easy. This is home machine. This is the real deal. To figure it out, you are good to go. It's so awesome. So between these two machines, this one, of course, you know, is you have to pay some dollars for it. KitchenAid, beautiful machine. Dash KitchenAid. This is the KitchenAid one. This is Dash for foodies. So I would say wonderful one. One thing I like about this, the color. Beautiful. So have fun, enjoy, and any of the machines you get, you have fun, you will enjoy it. Take good care of it, read your instructions, and thank you so much, guys.